Colours of the world, dream up your life. Every boy, every girl, dream up your life. People of the world, dream up your life. Aww. Hello, today's tutorial is how to make your own eye cream using coconut oil, vitamin E oil and essential oils. And the essential oil I'll be using will be frankincense. It helps with age spots, skin discoloration, sunspots and dark circles, and I'm going to be using frankincense because I do tend to get dark circles under my eyes. And that's it. I will see you in a minute. I'm Anne-Marie Pearman. So I'm starting off with a cup of coconut oil, and I'm filming this in the UK and it's quite a warm day, summer's day today in the UK, so it's nice and melted, which makes it easier to mix with. 20 drops of vitamin E oil and 20 drops of frankincense essential oil. You just mix it together. And this is what the end product looks like. So it's a bit runny than usual, so if you want it more of a creamy consistency, just put it in the fridge, but I'm quite happy to use it like that. So I put the eye cream in the fridge because it's quite runny because it's hot here in the UK at the moment. And so the texture is now a lot more solid. So solid I can't put my finger in it. But it's more probably the texture of cream. But yeah, put it in this. If it goes too runny, maybe put it in the fridge for a bit. And that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.